I'm Jesus Melendez, I'm program manager at Nunez, and this is our welding facility. Here at Nunez, we give you the tools you need to succeed. There are multiple pathways here at Nunez. One, a technical diploma in combo welding and a certificate of technical studies in general welding. But for every course that we offer, we certify with AWS, which is American Welding Society. When they come in, they test them to make sure that we're teaching them properly, and if they can pass the test they give them, they certify them. And I saw it was changing some students' lives, and like they had some students, young men, that were thinking about quitting high school, not completing, just not interested anymore. They won't show up to high school, but guess what? They will still show up for welding. So, to get that, we're changing their lives, because that little bit of change of mind there can actually change their lives from going way off. Amazing, it's priceless. It makes me feel like I've done my job, straight up. And that's why I signed up for it, honestly.
Enroll today at Nunez Community College and let your career take flight.